Will your water source support aquatic life? Based on the data that you've collected, what's the answer? And what does it all mean? You've done your test. You've collected your information. This is all for the health of our aquatic life, right? So what should you do with this information? If your results are within a healthy, normal range, that's fantastic news. You should keep testing and keep track and create a timeline of changes. If your results are poor or have changed since the last time you tested, that's an effect. And we're looking for a cause in our environment. Because roughly 75% of the entire Earth is covered in water. And out of all the water on the Earth, 97% of that is salt water. 2% of that is ice, and that leaves just 1% of fresh water for the entire world. Not the Tennessee Valley, not the United States, the world. That's also why watersheds are so important, because anything that's on the ground can be picked up by rain or stormwater and transported into our rivers and tributaries. That effect is called runoff, and it can cause a number of environmental problems. One could be erosion. If the water becomes fast-moving and there's not enough bank stabilization, it will cause banks to collapse and add to the turbidity of the water and damage aquatic habitat. Stormwater runoff can also pick up excess nutrients and chemicals like herbicides, fertilizers, and even pet waste and dump it right into streams and rivers. And finally, just the physical trash. Anything that gets thrown on the ground will eventually make its way to a water source. So if you have poor results, think back to your visual observation, or look around the environment and even upstream to see what could be causing the problem. Once you eliminate those contaminants, nature will start repairing itself, and if you keep testing the water quality, it should revert back to a normal range. We have a responsibility to balance the needs of humans and making sure our impacts aren't negatively affecting our aquatic environment. So thank you for testing the water in your area. You just collected real scientific data, it's important, and it matters. So keep testing your streams and your lakes and rivers, and make sure you share your results with us at TVA. Happy testing.